The burning debris of 2 Russian tanks with exploding turrets and several armored personnel carriers testifies to the ferocity of last week's clashes in the village of Lukyanivka outside Kyiv. The charred body of a Russian soldier lies in a nearby field. There are mortars so strong that it's scary even in the basement, local resident Valery Hudim told Reuters on Sunday, 2 days after the Ukrainian army retook control of Lukyanivka in a 5-hour battle with Russia. Fire tanks, artillery and machine guns. All possibilities are there, said Hudim. 2 Ukrainian soldiers, who are engaged in fighting to retake the village, said the fighting was fierce.